Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to schedule your TikTok posts. Now let's begin. If you have not logged into your TikTok account, you can log in right now. I am logged into my account using my desktop browser. Now let's begin. On the menu bar, there are many options such as search bar, upload, messages, inbox. Select the upload button and you will be directed to another page. Simply select the video you want to upload. You can write your caption here. You can ensure who can watch your video. It can either be public, friends or private, it's up to you. Here you can see something like schedule video. Simply toggle on this button and you will be given the date and time for which you want to schedule your video. Let's schedule a date and a time. After everything is done, you can either run a copyright check or disclose post content as per your wish and simply click schedule. The video is being uploaded, so that's it guys. That is how you schedule your TikTok posts. Hope you found this video useful, and for more informative content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.